4 easy ways that you can create animated social posts to boost your engagement using Canva. So let's jump in. Number 1 is to use an animated sticker. So here I have a Canva template. This is from Wellness Stock Shop, and I just want to add a little bit of animation to this. So I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side and select elements, and then I'm going to search for stickers. You can see I already have some here in my recently used section, but I'm going to show you what I searched for this. First of all, arrows are a great thing to use to add a little bit of animation. So you can scroll through and see these animated arrows until you find something that you like. I also like to search for stars and glitter. So you can see there are some really fun ones to use here. And one more I like to search for is blob. And you can add the word animated in front of any of these like this, and it's going to come up with a different selection for you. But for instance, if I wanted to, I could delete these backgrounds and just add one of these animations. So now I have an animated background. When you're finished adding your animated stickers, just go up to download, and you want to download this as an MP4 video. Number 2, you can create a slideshow. So I have multiple designs here on this page, and I am going to create a slideshow so it cycles through each one of these images just like a slideshow. The one thing you're going to want to know is that these are set to show for 5 seconds each. So that's going to be a pretty long duration, and people are probably going to lose interest. So I want to make sure to cycle these through much faster. So I'm going to just go up to edit timing, and then maybe I'll say 2 seconds. And I'm going to go through and do that for each of the slides that I want to include in this slideshow. So now I've modified this so that each slide only shows for 2 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and download this again as an MP4 video, and I want to make sure that I've included all the pages that I want with my slideshow, which in this case is all 4 of them. So I'm just going to click done and download. So here's what my slideshow looks like. Number 3, use Canva's animate feature. So I absolutely love this one. In the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see this animate option. So if I click on that, it's going to give me all of these different options. So each one looks totally different. They're super fun. So if you're ready to download your animated graphic, all you do is click on the style that you want. And again, you're going to download it as an MP4 video. Number 4, add video. So this is really cool because Canva makes it really simple to add any sort of video to any of your Canva templates that have an image placeholder like this one. So again, this is a Wellness Stock Shop template, and this is an image placeholder, so I could add a stagnant image. However, I can also add a little video clip. So let me show you over here. Again, I'm going to go to uploads, and again, you add video into your Canva uploads just like you would a regular stagnant image, and then it magically filters it into this video tab right here for you. So everything is beautifully organized. So I can go ahead and scroll through here and see some of the videos I already have, and then just drag it into this image placeholder. Then I can double click it just like I would on any photo, and I can alter it by stretching it out, moving it around, however I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and move it into this placeholder like this, and now you can go ahead and click play and see how it scrolls through. The other thing you can do is up here you can see this is 24 seconds long, so I can easily click on this, and then I can drag these sides in so that it shows any of the video clip that I want. So this is just another type of template that you can use, but again, it's the same thing. You're just going to want to go to your videos. I'm just going to drag and drop this little GIF of myself that I made, and that's a great way to showcase anything that you want to promote to your audience. So there you have it, 4 easy ways to create animated social posts. By the way, you can access any of these beautiful Canva templates that I used as samples today, in addition to hundreds of additional beautiful Canva templates for Instagram posts, Pinterest posts, workbooks, and more at wellnessstockshop.com.